It's a beautiful brand new day. I'm sending a phone WhatsApp. I want to see. I don't mind my duku. Okay. Please, it's a lovely, beautiful Saturday. And today, I'm coming to clean the glass shells. Yes. These are some of the maybe a super money wash. You about to take the last shells. You understand? Yes. And everything I will show you. The outcome. Flower pot. Umuade ni na be ko on be so umuade. Sister Penny is now also obo. Aha. Umuade sister you. Oh yeah. 80 will come home. I may clinically, you know. Okay. I miss you wedding. And you know, when you're in a house, so this is shabby. Fine girl, so fine girl, you can't touch no more. Yo, Kade. Oh, yes, the new. So the voice back. Wow, my Don't worry. I'll go. What do you answer? Apology. And yeah, baby hot and high stain. Shows me we have to clean it. Na emu enka jopo. Actually, it's been a while because of busy day, going up, down. Like I was saying to trim. At least if you have glass shells in your house, at least every month you also clean it twice. Yes, because glass is something that dust can easily enter. You know, I would say at least every 2 weeks in a month, and at least every 2 times in a month you have to clean your glass shells and all that. But when it's been a while, you're preparing it, you know, what they